Actresses who've battled serious sex addiction. Number 1. Jada Pinkett Smith. She openly admitted to sex addiction in her youth, calling herself a binger who used sex to fix problems. She also struggled with porn addiction, consuming it up to 5 times daily, and linked her compulsions to family addiction history. Number 2. Anna Lynn McCord. The 90210 star labeled herself a ravenous sex addict, treating her body like a brothel. She installed a bondage bed in her home, craving sex non-stop as her only vice. No drugs or alcohol, just an insatiable urge. Number 3. Jennifer Lewis. The Blackish actress detailed sex addiction in her memoir, using post-Broadway sex as a nightcap to cope with performance highs. She paired her addiction with bipolar disorder, speaking publicly about recovery in her one-woman show. Number 4. Britney Spears. In her documentary, I Am Britney Jean, she confirmed sex addiction tied to bipolar disorder, describing extreme sexual behaviors during her career peaks. She attempted a 6-month celibacy vow but struggled to maintain control.